Here we go. It is Friday. We got 3 weeks left. I'm just going to be straightforward with you guys, let you know that is what we got left. Full week next week and then 2 4-day weeks. I think we can make it. Next week, we're going to be working with Discovery Ed a little bit. For a couple classes, we're actually going to even have a representative from Discovery Ed coming in and giving us a hand. So for today, working with the same objectives, I can explain how to create an electromagnet, and I'll understand the advantages of non-permanent magnets. Kind of a different perspective on those things, though. Looking at a station rotation, we got it lined up here. This will be probably kind of similar to what we're doing next week when our Discovery Ed guy comes in for a couple periods. In the other periods, we should be doing a similar activity, just with digital knee wave and regular knee wave. 3 stations for today, and I will explain the rotations as they become applicable. Get teams up on the board right here. You're used to that kind of thing. So first group, brainstorm and model how to build an electromagnet in simple circuit. That's going to be a paper activity. Just doing exactly what it says there. Brainstorming and modeling how to make those 2 different things, electromagnets and simple circuits. Trying to keep it pretty simple, no pun intended. Discovery education activity is going to be group B. Obviously that's going to be on computer, and so part of the struggle there will be remembering how to log into Discovery Ed. Should be your student ID number and then NMSA 2018, all lowercase. And then the last one's going to be energy resources, doing a reading section in our blue textbook, pages 142 to 147. Read, define the vocab in your own terms, your own words, and then questions 2 through 6 and 9 on page 147. Unlike many station rotations, instead of me sitting with one specific group and kind of having the rest of you rotate around the room on a self-focused task, they're all going to be a certain amount of self-focused, and I'm going to be trying to move around to clarify questions, help people log into Discovery Ed, help people know when to rotate, help remind how we can model, like with the electromagnet and simple circuit modeling. If people aren't on the right page, a couple of our blue books are a little bit weird, they're not the right book, trying to help everybody make sure we're on task with the right activities. Since we are going to be rotating, it means that every activity is going to get about 15 minutes, probably a little bit less than that. And that means that I'm going to be kind of constantly answering the same questions, and I'm comfortable with that, but I'm just kind of leading it in, letting all of you guys know I'm going to need some patience so that I can actually work the room, trying to make sure everybody can stay on task. So it is kind of a fun Friday because we got a rotation thing going on. It's not going to be like wah, 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 nonstop for 50 minutes. It's going to be doing 3 different activities, getting a lot of credit, getting a lot of feedback. I think it should be a really good day. So happy Friday. Let's get through today. And then you guys, of course, have a weekend. So let's do it.